In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a bank reconciliation in Xero, a tool widely used for managing financial data efficiently. Performing a bank reconciliation is critical as it ensures that the transactions you record align perfectly with your actual bank transactions. This not only helps in pinpointing any errors, but also aids in maintaining precise financial records. To start off, open your preferred web browser and go to the search engine. Type in Xero to initiate the search. Now you should see the official Xero website link, which is labeled as Xero, accounting software for small businesses. Click on this link to access the main page of the Xero website. Once you're on the main page of Xero, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Clicking this will direct you to the login screen where you can enter your Xero username and password. Be sure to input your details correctly and press Enter to access your account dashboard. With your Xero dashboard now open, navigate through the options and click on your business bank account. This is typically found under the Bank Accounts section on your dashboard. This step is crucial as it takes you directly to the account where reconciliation needs to occur. On your bank account page, locate the Reconcile button and click on it. Now, this option may appear in a few different places depending on how your interface is set up, but it's usually easy to find, often highlighted for quick access. Clicking Reconcile will bring you to the screen where the magic happens, matching transactions in Xero to those on your bank statement. As you dive into the reconciliation process, observe each transaction listed and compare it carefully to your bank statement. Look for any discrepancies between what's on Xero and what's recorded by the bank. If everything matches up, you can proceed by clicking OK to confirm the reconciliation process. And just like that, you're done. Reconciling bank statements in Xero not only brings peace of mind, but also enhances your financial data's transparency. This process is quick, but it's always important to be thorough, ensuring that each transaction is verified correctly. With the reconciliation complete, you can now go back to your Xero dashboard, confident that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Thank you for following along. Remember, routinely performing bank reconciliations is a best practice in managing business finances efficiently. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next video.